Hello, you beautiful. Blah. Hello, people. This is me, Bush Cat Mustache, and here I am. Looks like I'm in heaven, but I'm not in heaven. I'm not dead. Hello, there we go. Today I am here with my friend Devin.
Hey guys. I'm too tall for his hand. Hey guys. I'm actually going to be showcasing a little bit of music for you guys. We're going to be playing this in the background. We're not actually going to be playing this song. We're going to be playing another song that I call Summer Love, but this one is Neurowave. I'm actually a new artist. You can go follow me. My channel's in the link description below. You can go follow me, Devin.Urban. Or not Devin.Urban, just Devin Urban. But yeah, let's see what you guys think. Just a little taste of what we got. Tell me what you guys think. That's just going to be playing in the background for the whole video. Except for not that song, a different song. Let's hope you guys like it.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a camping trip. Yay! That's gonna be fun. Yes, we're gonna have multiple time lapses. What? However you pronounce it.
Time lapses. Yay! I can pronounce things because I'm stupid.
Okay then. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. We're gonna do some speed traveling, as you've seen in my other videos.
Yeah, starting
as in
3,
Florida.
2. Yo guys, we're back. Currently, Ethan is in the water. Sorry we couldn't update yesterday. We actually had spent so much time setting up and getting ready that we weren't able to make a film because by the time we were done and everything, it was already nighttime and we were by the fire. But right now, it's day 2. We're here. We're out on a boat currently, and Ethan is on the water right over there. Yeah, that's him. This I'm here. This is Dee. She's like my little sister. I know. But yeah, we're having a lot of fun out here, and we've just been hanging out, and we've been going on the tube. Good job, Ethan. It's so much fun. Dee's a little scared, but you find out that it's actually really fun. So we're actually gonna do this for a little while, and we'll update later. All right, guys.
Back. I've just came out the boat. I'm gonna post a picture in 3, 2, 1. Nice picture. I know, right? So I'm just back, and I'm here at Devin.
Yeah, he was actually, as you can see in the picture, he was attempting to stand into the T-pose, but they revved the engine right as he did it, so he fell off. Which you didn't see that part, but it was hilarious.
That was fun.
We just started the engine up again. I think we're gonna start heading to the dock. Is that right? Yeah, we're gonna head to the dock, and we're gonna meet up with my dad and my dog Coco, so that we can just switch off easier. Which I think will be fun, and we can kind of hang out at the dock a little bit too.
Yep. Well, I'll keep you updated, and we're gonna do some time lapses on the seafloor. Goodbye.